Hi, so this is the Turejo foot spa massage, and this is in full operation. But before I get to all of that, let me show you the basics. So let me get started here. This thing is a little bit of a bucket. Obviously, it's kind of like a water bucket, but you know, it does have a lot of those electronic components in the underneath. So you can see here there is a cover for the foot spa. And there is also an opening here basically for the exhaust. Now this is something you might want to do if you're when you're actually warming up the water. So speaking of warming up the water, the temperature here goes from 95 to 118, and you would want to pre-fill it with you know, your normal water, basically hot water faucet water, or hot water from your faucet. You know, just going in, you know, going around, you could see what it has over there with these pointy spots at the bottom. These will rotate, and same with this pumice rock, it will rotate depending on your setting. So it does come with the instruction manuals. Here, the 24-month warranty. This, I imagine, is a cleaner. I don't exactly know what it's for. This is a cleaner, you know, for cleaning the insides here of the rollers themselves as they rotate, and also the, you know, pumice rock. You could just kind of clean it up. Now just to go around kind of like the build quality, so this is, you know, basically your typical kind of waterproof sort of bucket. Now when you put the water in here, you do want to grasp it with the underneath handles. So this is sunk in, so you could basically have a nice handle here. Now that's definitely more solid when you're carrying this than using the handle, though it has a nice handy handle. But I would not recommend carrying that with the water in it. That would be a little bit too heavy. Just going around, you could see there is, you know, a plug here to drain the water, and that particular plug is silicone. So if I just you know, show you that, you know, a nice silicone plug that's very watertight. At the bottom here there is the feet, so you could see there is the 4 rubberized feet at the bottom for cushioning, and the heating element and the motorized stuff is at the bottom. And there is a plug right to the side here, this particular plug, and the plug is it's about 5 feet 3 inches. So if you have a particular reach, that's where my plug is. All right, now let me go ahead and put some water in and show you the operations. Now just put water in this. This is 6 liters, and it is a little bit under halfway up with the 6 liters of water. You could see that it is actually turned off with the OF, which is off. Now if I turn it on, you could see right there it says the temperature is actually 80 degrees. I will actually set it here at 108 degrees. There is a timer. And then there is also kind of like the red light. You could see right there is the red light, which indicates the bubbles. And right here I could also do the massaging. You can see with the massaging, that is what it does, with this being spinning and rotating here. And you could change basically different modes. So right here, as I push it, you can see it has different modes as far as pausing in the middle. Now that pumice rock, you're supposed to actually put your heel in it. And let me go ahead and switch it to another mode here. This particular mode, it also has just a different level of pulsing and pausing to it. Now the water is heating up. You can see it is at 78 degrees. Now there I have this turned off, and this is where I could put the cover on to kind of keep the pressure under wraps so that it actually heats up faster. So while I'm doing that, let me show you the measurements of the tub itself. Alright, so I have my trusty measuring tape here, and you can see right now the water is at 79 degrees. So lengthwise it's about 16.5 inches. The height itself is around 10 inches there, and the width is about 14 inches at its peak. And as far as the depth, so let me go ahead and actually open this up, and I'm going to put in my measuring tape here. So the measuring tape here, right now I have the water at 3 inches. If I put it on the roller itself, right there, you can see the height of the water. And then just picking up another spot, you can see right there. So, and if I actually stick the entire measuring tape against the back, you could see that it is a good 14 inches deep. And once again, the inner diameter here is a foot. So that is basically the measurements of the inside and outside. So I'm just gonna wait here for the water to actually heat up. But those are basically the functionalities here. So the timer itself, and I could even feel the water heating up now. The massage. So I'm going to toggle the massage here and just give you a feel for what it is. So this is just it rotating, and right here is the start and stop. And you could see that there's a blinky light that actually indicates a different type of mode there. And if I push it one more time, it's actually off. And then there's the timer here. You can see the timer here. It's like 25 seconds. Increments of 5 minutes, all the way up to 1 hour of it being on. So I could turn it on to just 30 minutes, set that. And also have the bubbles. So you can see those are the particular bubbles. And just toggling that on and off. So and the more bubbles. And you can see right now it's at 81 degrees, so it would take a while to warm up. Now I did get basically warm water from the faucet just to speed up the process, so you would want to do that. Otherwise it would take a while to get it to the 100 degrees or that I want the water at. So but the good thing about it is that you can control the temperature of the water. But I think that's it. That's really what I wanted to show. And I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and I will have this link in the description area of the video. And thank you for watching, and have a great day. So one thing I do want to mention is after you have this in operation for an hour, you do want to give it a rest, let the motors cool down, and so that it has a longer life. You don't really want to overwork the motors or even the heating element below. So just keep that in mind. There's probably a reason why the timer itself is 60 minutes. So I want to stress, and I can't emphasize this enough, is despite there being a handle here, you really don't want to carry it with water in it. This handle is probably not meant for that. What you want to do is you really do want to grasp the bucket here or the massager with both hands with these grips at the bottom while it has water in it. So when you're draining it out and putting it in the bathtub or sink, you know, carry it using these handles in the bottom, not with this particular handle here, you know, so just to avoid those messy spills, because this handle likely will fall off if you carry it with basically 10-15 pounds of water there. So that's another tip for you. So while you're letting the water heat up, you do really want to cover this up so that the heating process and the steam gets trapped inside and it just heats up a lot quicker being covered. So that's what this cover is actually for. There is a little exhaust here if you need it and you want to cool it down quicker, but overall when you're heating it, you do want to cover it.